Today, we're taking a full, detailed look at the 6 best top-loading washing machines you can buy right now. The goal of this video is to make your decision easier by breaking down what each washer offers, how it performs in real homes, and who it's best suited for. Instead of diving into complicated specs, we'll focus on real-world usefulness, reliability, and the features that actually matter for everyday laundry. By the end, you should have a clear idea of which washer fits your home and your lifestyle. Let's get started. Number 1 is the LG Agitator Large 5.3 Cubic Foot Top-Load Washer. This washer is known for combining a large capacity with reliable cleaning power, and that balance is what makes it popular among families and households that do a lot of laundry. The 5.3 cubic foot capacity gives you room for bigger loads, meaning fewer cycles during the week. Bulky items like blankets, jackets, comforters, and thick towels fit comfortably. The Agitator adds strong cleaning action, and LG designed it to be firm enough to remove stains without being too harsh on fabrics. What many people also appreciate about this washer is how simple it is to use. The controls are straightforward, the wash cycles cover everything most households need, and it includes smart features that let you check the progress from your phone. This can be especially helpful if your laundry room is in the basement or on another floor. Overall, this washer is ideal for families and anyone who wants dependable cleaning, plenty of room, and some added convenience without complicating things. Number 2 is the Maytag 27-inch top-load smart washer. Maytag washers have always had a reputation for strength and durability, and that's exactly what this model focuses on. Inside, it uses a powerful motor designed to handle heavy loads, thick fabrics, and clothes that come in dirty from daily activities. This model includes an extra power feature that boosts stain fighting, so if you deal with messy laundry like kids' clothes, sports uniforms, or work gear that often gets stained, this comes in handy. The machine also includes simple smart features that let you track cycles and get notifications, but what really sets this washer apart is the long-lasting feel of its build quality. The controls feel solid, the drum is strong, and the machine is made to run for years under steady use. This makes it a great pick for people who always have piles of laundry or want something that won't struggle with heavy fabrics. If your priority is durability and strong cleaning performance, this is a reliable choice. Number 3 is the Whirlpool Smart Capable Top-Load Washer. Whirlpool designed this washer with everyday convenience in mind. One standout feature is the Load and Go detergent system, which allows you to fill a detergent compartment once and then lets the washer dispense the right amount automatically for several cycles. This helps prevent wasting detergent and makes each wash cycle smoother. The washer adjusts the water level and cycle strength based on what you put inside. This not only helps save water and energy, but it also protects fabrics by avoiding overly aggressive cycles. What makes this washer appealing is how easy it is to operate. It's designed for people who want a dependable machine that handles the details automatically. It's great for busy households or anyone who wants laundry to be simple and efficient without needing to adjust a lot of settings. Whirlpool has always been known for reliability, and this model follows that tradition while adding a few modern touches. Number 4 is the Speed Queen TR7006BN Top-Load Washer. Speed Queen is often considered the gold standard for long-lasting washers, and there's a good reason for that. Unlike many modern washers that rely heavily on electronic components, Speed Queen focuses on mechanical strength and durability. Their washers are built with commercial-grade parts that are designed to last decades, not just a few years. This model has a simple control panel, a fast and effective wash motion, and a heavy-duty design that can handle constant daily use. It's a great option for large households, people who do multiple loads every day, or anyone who wants a no-nonsense washer that simply works year after year. While it might not have as many modern features as some competitors, its reliability is unmatched. If you want a washer that you buy once and depend on for a very long time, Speed Queen is one of the best choices available. Number 5 is the GE Profile High Efficiency Top-Load Washer. This washer focuses on combining strong performance with modern energy-saving technology. It uses sensors to determine how much water and detergent to use based on the size and type of the load. This not only helps protect clothing, but it also helps lower utility bills by reducing unnecessary water and energy use. Inside the drum, antimicrobial technology helps prevent odor buildup, which can be a problem in many washers over time. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, and the controls are intuitive, making it easy for anyone to operate. This washer is a good match for people who want something modern, efficient, and capable of handling different types of laundry while automatically adjusting the settings. It's especially helpful if you want a cleaner, fresher washer that requires less maintenance on your part. Finally, number 6 is the GE Unitized Spacemaker. This is a washer and dryer built into a single vertical unit, designed specifically for homes with limited space. If you live in an apartment, a small house, or a studio, this kind of design can save you a significant amount of space. The washer inside is simple, practical, and offers enough power for everyday laundry needs. The controls are easy to reach, and the compact design makes it ideal for laundry closets or narrow areas where a regular washer and dryer wouldn't fit. Even though it's smaller than full-sized machines, it still offers reliable performance and convenience. This is a great choice for people who want a full laundry solution without needing separate appliances or a large dedicated laundry room. Those are the 6 best top-loading washing machines to consider right now. Choosing the right one comes down to what matters most in your home. The LG model is perfect for large loads and smart convenience. The Maytag is ideal for strong stain fighting and long-term durability. The Whirlpool is great for everyday convenience and efficiency. The Speed Queen stands out as the most durable and long-lasting option. The GE Profile is excellent for energy savings and modern automatic adjustments, and the GE Spacemaker is perfect for small homes or apartments where space is limited. When deciding which washer is right for you, think about how often you do laundry, the size of your household, and the type of clothing you wash regularly. If you wash big loads weekly, you'll want a large capacity washer. If you deal with stains often, strong cleaning power is important. If you want something easy to use, look for automatic water adjustments or detergent dispensing. And if you live in a small space, a compact or unitized washer may be the perfect fit. Top-loading washers remain popular because they're simple to operate, they handle heavy loads well, and they often require less maintenance than front loaders. With the right washer, your laundry routine becomes easier, more efficient, and less time-consuming.